The clock can be removed when you're ready. At any time you can start. All right, we know that, let's see, Blessed Sacrament has already started. I want you guys, coaches, I want you to signal how many your team has solved so we can keep track. We'll see how many you have solved as we go through. We have one for Blessed Sacrament. Arnold just started. Good luck, Arnold. Whenever you guys are ready, Landell, you can start. Landell shaking out their hands. Put your hands on the field. Be ready to go. Landell, be ready to go. One for Blessed Sacrament. One for Sunset Lane. We have one for Sunset Lane, one for Blessed Sacrament, and for Landell, go! Go, Landell! We have two for Hermosa Drive. We have one for Sunset Lane. We have two for Sunset Lane, two for Blessed Sacrament, one for Arnold.